Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a sprint in ClickUp. Sprints are essential for managing your agile workflows and breaking down projects into manageable time-boxed iterations, making it much easier to track progress and meet deadlines. First, open your browser and navigate to clickup.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to set up your sprint, as this will determine where your sprint folder gets created. After logging in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation panel. Click on More to expand additional options. From there, click on Apps. This section houses all the integrations and features you can enable within ClickUp to enhance your workflow. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Sprint into this search bar and press Enter. ClickUp will display the Sprint feature in the results. Click on it to open the details page. Now that you've found the Sprint feature, you'll need to enable it for your workspace. Look for the Enable button and click it. This action activates the sprint functionality across your ClickUp account, allowing you to create and manage sprints moving forward. After enabling the feature, go ahead and close the App Center. You can do this by clicking the X or simply navigating back to your main workspace view. This brings you back to where you can start implementing your newly enabled sprint feature. Navigate to your space on the left sidebar. Once you're in the appropriate space, click the plus icon. This icon typically appears near your space name or within the space itself. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Sprint Folder. This is the foundation for organizing your sprint tasks and tracking your team's progress. A dialog box will pop up asking you to configure your sprint settings. First, input a folder name that clearly identifies this sprint. Something like Q1 Sprint or Product Launch Sprint works well. Next, you'll need to edit the measure of effort. ClickUp gives you several options here. Choose between sprint points, time estimates, or custom field, depending on how your team prefers to measure work. This choice affects how you'll track and visualize workload throughout the sprint. Below that, you'll see options to select a sprint start day and sprint duration. Choose the day of the week when your sprints typically begin and set the duration, whether that's 1 week, 2 weeks, or whatever cadence your team follows. Once you've configured these settings to match your team's workflow, click Next. After clicking Next, ClickUp will show you automation options. These automations help streamline your sprint management by automatically moving tasks between statuses or triggering notifications. For now, just click Create to finalize your sprint folder setup. You can always customize automations later as you become more familiar with the feature. And there you have it. You now have a fully functional sprint folder in ClickUp. You can start creating tasks inside it, assigning them to team members, and tracking your sprint progress in real time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.